Hey Victor, this side. Today I am going to review Royal Stock, which created by Neil Napier is going to launch on the 10th of February 11 a.m. time review. So let's get started. Well, what is Royal Stock? Is an extensive stock asset platform where you can build a profitable business. You can use the stock content in your own business, for your clients. And you can build your own store full of stock media collections and sell access to those collections. Whether it's for you or your clients, Royal Stock will offer you millions of different options for customization and niching down to find the most profitable collections to sell to people who are searching the internet for them. And you or your clients can do this without any design or technical skills, over and over again. 3 easy steps to use Royal Stock. Find. Simply decide what you want to sell and enter that keyword and damp. Let us give you the best choices of stock media under one virtual roof. Create unique collections with our stunning images, videos, stickers and lots more in just one click. So use your copyright and damp. Watermark-free stock and damp. Sell it for unbeatable prices within minutes on your own personal Shutterstock-like site. Anyone can create high-converting, professional stock asset stores. Anytime. Every time. Without coding and technical skills, no prior experience is needed. Zero learning curve, nothing to download or install, newbie-friendly. Created keeping both first-timers and part-timers in mind. No monthly or yearly fees. You don't need to hire professionals to help you start in this highly lucrative business. Are you ready to create stock millionaires? Stock-worthy stocks, an extensive stock asset platform where you can build a profitable business. You can use the stock content in your own business, for your clients. And you can build your own store full of stock media collections and sell access to those collections. Whether it's for you or your clients, Royal Stock will offer you millions of different options for customization and niching down to find the most profitable collections to sell to people who are searching the internet for them. And you or your clients can do this without any design or technical skills, over and over again. Safe to sell stock collections. Now you know that most of the images online are copyrighted and you can get in serious legal trouble if you use them, much less sell them. But that's not a problem with Royal Stock. By special arrangement we have a legal right to create stores that sell collections of assets in any niche we want to. That collection can have 2002 or more assets in it. As long as people use our collections, or ones they set up, or even their own, original assets, they can legally sell as many copies of their collections in our powerful stores as they want. They can feel free to sell their collections for top dollar to any niche from their Shutterstock-like store that is fully hosted on our servers. Users can also assign their domain to their store to have an even more professional commerce presence. Personal and commercial licenses are included so you can make your monthly income soar. Quick to search, quicker to profit. We don't believe in waiting. Using our AI-powered platform, they can find the perfect stock media, add it to their collection, and then add that collection to their store. It's just that easy. It's the world of social media. We just live in it. Latch on to the hottest niche right as it starts to grow. And your users can create a store so targeted, that is so damn good, people just won't be able to get enough of it. Cha-ching. This of course means using the exact right multimedia. Images, videos, stickers for a particular niche that work to make a lasting impression to bring customers back again and again as they add more collections that are in high demand. What if you could offer your customers access to a platform that gives them a next-level commerce platform to sell their collections of our stock images, empowers them to sell their own creatives and damp. Keep 100%, let them quickly edit them and damp. Profit from them gives them the chance to find stock by niche keywords ends the membership enslavement to selfish platforms drives insane traffic and damp leads helps them find the best creative assets within minutes and so much more. Roy Allstock is perfect for digital marketers for promoting their products and services online, social media marketers for amplifying their content, bloggers for getting more reader traffic and leads, affiliate marketers for selling more products and damp earning more commissions, website owners for making their websites reach a wider audience, entrepreneurs for establishing a strong brand image across all social media platforms, e-commerce and damp brick-and-mortar store owners for attracting more customers, work-from-home individuals for making their own money with business and creative designs. Well, that's all from my side, so it's a good software which you can really try to get access of Roy Allstocks. Click the link in the description. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to my channel.